Andito kami guys. Ayan si Miming guys. As you can see Miming guys, kung saan siya din. Kasi alam niya na dito ako banda guys. Nakita niya ako hawak ako ng phone. So yun, lumapit dito si Miming para ma-join naman siya. So Ming no? Ming, you love to join the Ming, the video Ming? You want to show the camera? On the camera Ming? Hala, okay. So, feel happy naman to with Miming, no? So, yun guys, her with Miming. Ayun, ito yung morning ni Miming, guys. So, busog na yan siya. Tapos na yan nag-eat. So, you finish it? Do you feel okay? Do you feel good? Oh, you see the face of Miming, guys. Oh, do you feel good? Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. So, thank you so much. So, I hope you have a good morning and a good day, everyone. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. Keep safe. See you again in next. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. So, yun lang. Thank you, thank you.